Welcome back to Phillips Hot Rod Garage. Hope y'all like car shows. We're going down here to see what the Foggy Bottom Cruisers have going on today. Little local car show in our little hometown. Y'all join in with us for a while and check out these beautiful cars. Does. It's all going on YouTube. No, I'm not. We just bought them.
Yeah, yeah. there's a lot less people in it, but there's lots of roads around that. They had, when you registered, they had them on.
See ya.
Yeah, oh yeah. I'm gonna try to leave in the morning. I'm hoping I just make Cliff. Daddy's go get it.
Alright guys, this is a real steel 32. Wow.
Car was originally built. He told David he can tell you exactly, but it was originally built probably in the 60s.
Go ahead.
This is 32 Ford, 3-window coupe with a rumble seat, deluxe coupe they call it. My daddy purchased this car in 1955. It was right down the road from here in Enterprise, Alabama. It was on the car lot, paid $185 for it. My uncle found it, told him about it, and he went and got it. He drag raced it in the late 50s, early 60s. It's been every color in the rainbow. My younger sister kind of claims the car now, and she wanted it baby blue, so we got restored, frame off back in 1979. So that's the state that it's in now, and it's just an everyday driver now. It could use another freshen up, they call it, but we have a lot of fun with it in this state because the youngers love to jump on it and get the rumble seat. We have a lot of fun. It's got a little 305 small block with a turbo 350 in it. Runs good, and we play on it all the time.
So the last time
my daddy fell in love with 32 Fords. Ended up with just about every body style you could get in 32 before he died. But this was his first one. So it's been in the family ever since 55.
So the last time the car was painted was 79?
79, painted this baby blue. The last time anything's been done to it major. Other than just driven and had fun with it.
Small block Chevrolet was put in there in 79?
Yep. Well, when we had it done, we had a 327 Chevrolet motor that came out of a Corvette. It was a high horsepower motor, and it was a little too much for my little sister to drive. So after we had the car restored, a couple of weeks into her trying to drive it and get it stopped and everything, me and Daddy went to the junkyard and had a 305 out of the flat model car and did a weekend swap and put a little smaller engine in there so she could drive around.
Nice. But it's just not often that you run into a steel 32 3-window coupe
It's all
at a little car show.
Got the cowl lights. What makes a deluxe coupe from a regular 5-window is the rumble seat and the cowl lights. We got the left and right blinkers wired in the cowl lights with the amber bulbs in them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's pretty much all original other than the drivetrain.
Well, it's a super nice car.
All steel, all real.
Yes.
Like I say, if it ain't steel, it ain't real.
We like them like that.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for letting me look at it, and thanks for
You're welcome.
talking with me about it a little bit. It's a nice car.